In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Drive. This feature can be especially helpful if you frequently use your device in low-light environments or simply prefer a more subdued color scheme to reduce eye strain. Let's get started on transforming your viewing experience on Google Drive with just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to open Google Drive, which is available on any web browser. If you're using a desktop or laptop computer, just type in drive.google.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you're accessing it from a smartphone, open your Google Drive app for a similar setup. Once you're logged into your Google account, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive page displaying all your files and folders. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is the settings menu, and all you'll need to do here is give it a click. A drop-down will appear with a few different options, but for now, we're interested in the one that says Settings. Go ahead and click on it to open up a new window filled with various customization options. After the Settings menu opens, you'll need to locate the Appearance section. It might be toward the middle or bottom of this window, so look closely and scroll if necessary. The Appearance section is where most of the visual changes can be made, allowing you to personalize your Google Drive experience to suit your preferences. Once you've found the Appearance section, you'll see the option to choose between light and dark themes. To switch to dark mode, simply select Dark. This will immediately change the background color of your Google Drive interface to a dark theme, making it easier on the eyes, especially in darker settings, or if you just find the usual bright interface a bit overwhelming. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Google Drive to dark mode. This new setting will be saved automatically, so you won't have to worry about resetting it each time you log in. It's designed to enhance your visual comfort and keep your workflow running smoothly, particularly during late-night work sessions or extended periods in front of the screen. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the simple process of enabling dark mode on Google Drive. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your overall experience. Enjoy your newly transformed interface and be sure to experiment with other settings in your Google Drive to further tailor it to your needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.